have visions. I close my eyes and I see things. Once I closed my eyes and I saw a plane going down in the jungle. Inside, a boy and a girl were sucking on an orange. Their bodies were eaten by monkeys. Look, I don't actually work at the record store. I was just pretending to work there. I do that sometimes. I go into a place and pretend that I work there. I'm mentally ill. I used to be a lot worse. When I was 14, I weighed 80 pounds. I didn't eat. I was trying to make myself disappear. Getting rid of my flesh seemed easy, you know? But I couldn't figure out how to get rid of my bones. That's the hard part. You don't believe me, do you? What would you think if I told you that my father tried to run me over with a steamroller? That I had 30 seconds to escape? What you have to do is just completely relax your muscles. Then the cords just slip right off. But my dad would tie double knots. He wanted to kill me. Because he wasn't allowed to fuck me.